Hey, what's up, sneakerheads? Welcome back to the channel. How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, we just coming at y'all live, getting y'all these updates for today. As you well know, we all had this shock drop on Nike Sneakers app. They released these Jordan 5 UNCs. We did sell out. So
Ooh.
hopefully you was able to get them. I apologize for not going, letting y'all know about this, but I didn't have a specific time because they said check at 10, 11, 12, 1. And so, I was on there. They did have a live session today. Normally they drop the shock drop during the live session, but I was in there. I was waiting. Nothing happened. So, and I got off on my sneaker app. Next thing you know, I got the ting from J23. Try to go in there. These was gone, sold out. Boom, bam.
Mm,
Went
mm,
in there, look for the white cement Jordan 3s,
mm-hmm.
my size, sold out. One thing they
Already.
had was very small sizes and very large sizes. So I'm not sure if they're still there or not, but you can go check that out, sneakerheads.
Right, right. Let me see those again, man. I know I'm rocking those. Yes, sir. Real deal. Real
This is
deal.
part of the collegiate pack, as you can tell by the patch on the back.
Okay.
Some people like this and some people don't. So
Hey, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. But listen, man, you talking about shock drop. Did you see what dropped yesterday?
yeah, all them shoes, the mids and the ones for females.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
What was that about? What's going on there? You know anything about that?
And we know that Nike's been trying to get rid of the resellers, so maybe they just been resupplying and releasing. But the problem is these are not the most exclusive colorways, or that's why they're sitting on there. But why don't we just go through a couple of pairs that we saw that we enjoyed?
Yeah, yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
So I'll let you
Hey,
go ahead and go first. Going.
yeah, hey,
I'm really liking those mids, right?
the white, black, and gym red. I'm really loving
Mhm.
those one mids, man. I'm really loving those. And then there's a few more out there, women's, but those mids, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. What come to mind when you look through what they dropped yesterday?
For me, I'll just keep it simple. I do like these black and white mids. They look like, some people call them the pandas. Everybody hates when you say that, but reminds
Mm-hmm.
me of the pandas. Uh, and the reason why I say that because, like, we know that the economy is doing bad right now, and Jordan One mids. Some people like them, some people don't. I mean, really, it's just a matter of few centimeters or inches. I mean, the reason why I like these because it reminds you of the Jordan One OG High
Mm-hmm.
uh, that just came out. They were in black and white as well, and these are only $125. So to me, to be able to get a shoe that you can like wear with almost anything and beat them up, Jordan 1 mid 125, it can't be beat.
No, you can't beat that. Like you said, with the economy doing what it's going through, that's a reasonable price.
Parents out there, think about it. If y'all got kids, snatch these up and save them for back to school. So that way, when your son or daughter, they'll be ready.
Hey, hey, that's smart thinking right there. Go ahead and snatch them up while you can get that
So
decent price, right? Hey, I got your school shoes. What else you liking out there? Go
I'm
ahead.
not going to say that I really like these until I see them in hand, but I do want to get everyone's opinion. Jordan has a new silhouette. It's called the Jordan MVP 678. They do have a lot of different colorways that are coming out. They have a collaboration with the Paris Saint Germany. If you don't know, that's a soccer team out in Germany. They always do collaborations with Jordan. Jordan Raptors colorway.
Mm-hmm.
Then the most one, of course, that I'm looking forward to is the University Blue. So the University Blue accents the Jordan MVP 678. Now, if you don't know, this is like a mixed collab of shoes. That involves the Jordan 6, the Jordan 7, and then the Jordan 8. And this is supposedly the time when Jordan won his second championship. So the colorway, does have features and hits of each of those shoes. Bottom of the shoe features the Jordan 6, and then the side panels have the Jordan 8, And then what I like about this is kind of crazy too, which it does have Nike Air branding on the back. So, some people are going to get upset with that because, Nike Air branding is only made usually for the OGs. So to have Nike Air branding on this, what does that mean?
Hey, but you know what? I'm rocking those. Hey,
Yeah,
I'm rocking those, man, because you got to look at what they did, how they took three shoes into one.
that's come into one. And right now, from what I've seen today, there's a full size run available on Nike.com. And so if you
Mm-hmm.
want these sneakerheads, go out there and get them again. Like I say, right now I'm rocking them as far as the colorway. But me personally, I would like to see them in hand before I do make a purchase online or anywhere. And I know that these will go on sale, but the ones that I'm looking for are exactly UNC colorway. Because like I told y'all, I do collect UNC colors. So I am in North Carolina, so I do favor the UNC colorways.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, so if y'all like content like this, hey, make sure you check out this video.
And like we always say it for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.